Hi Roses, so today it's a DIY. Sorry I don't have an intro, but let's go straight to the video. So the first project was something I really wanted for a long time, a pink silky robe. Who doesn't want that? And a trick to make it more neat and more chic is to iron it down, so that's what I did. Fabulous. So then I just want to make it more personal, and I'm going to apply this in the back. It goes for the word red, what I think it's an awesome word, or it can go letter by letter. For example, it's my name, Rita, and Daniel, my lover. So basically you have to glue one rhinestone one by one. It takes a little time to complete this project, but it looks awesome at the end, and that's totally worth it.
Try to leave your fears behind. We are locked in an orbit racing round the dots of newly worlds that make a life.
Ta-da! This is the final results. I love it so much. I love how it sparkles and how it's placed. Love it. Love, 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 love it. So the next project was inspired by this beautiful box from Maison de Flore, but it's so expensive, so let's make it cheaper. So this is what you need. Obviously a box, I already have one in black. Then a few roses. I got 2 bouquets of roses. I choose the white color, but you can choose other colors or mix colors together. It looks adorable as well. So I just prepared the base. Now I'm cutting the flowers, and basically I just want the rose alone by itself. So now is the easiest part. You're just going to slide them in. Basically I want them really close together, and first I'm doing all around the edges and making sure they're really laying down like on the box. I ended up doing just another row of flowers, and that's it. It's done. It's super cute and looks adorable. And then the final touch was this logo from Maison de Flore on the box. So glamorous. Kind of feel like Amber Scholl's filming right now when she says outfit of the day. Ooh, shoes. Yes. Do you know her? You know what I mean? I'll link her down below. Let me go down. But suddenly my camera just died. I don't have a memory card as well. And yeah, so I'm filming with my phone. So it's time to say goodbye. I hope you guys liked it. Bye, roses.